Whole young chicken. Bum, bum, bum. Wash this puppy out. Take that little turkey neck out. Make sure there ain't stuff any surprises in. Everything in here. Everything. Even probably some brown sugar. I'm gonna throw everything in here pretty much. I don't know what we're gonna call this, chicken stew or something like that. So I'm cubing up or just chopping up. I don't know what the correct terminology chef word is, but I call it cubing up or just chopping up 2 potatoes. Bam. 1 celery stalk. Onion. I love onion though. I don't know how much you love onion, but that's how you can adjust it probably. Half an onion there, about the size of a half a baseball there. The garlic. Next. This cloves of garlic. These ones are small, that's probably why there's so many of them, but mucho garlic also with this. I'm doing 2 diced carrots, the rainbow ones, for all them LGBT cookers out there. Don't be assuming the gender of my carrots. I gotta do it this way because I got no tripod, so let's hopefully not jack everything up here on camera, right? There we go. Get it all up in there. I am going with like 2 cups of water on this and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Alright. I got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Then I got about 2 tablespoons of this chicken, but actually I'm gonna go 3. Make sure we get it. It's almost out. So about 2.5, 3 tablespoons of this. Bam, bam, bam. There. So going with the 2 cups of water. I need more than that, but let's see what this looks like. Yeah, okay, let's go with almost 3, 2 and 3/4. We'll check on it in a minute, see if it needs more water.
So I flipped it over. All the veggies went to the bottom, of course. I'm gonna add like a little half cup of extra water, and then just added some butter. Forgot to add butter, so got that butter up in there now. Alright, this thing's really going now. Cooking up in there, nice and juicy. Been on for about 4 hours or so. Alright, so this thing's done. I can't even pick it up. It's just falling off the bone. See if I can't get a shot with all the veggies and stuff too. But this puppy is ready. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so finish up. It's like falling apart, falling off the bone. It's toast. Not to mention it slipped right out of the little crockpot bucket into this thing, like kapow! But anyways, vegetables, gang of vegetables. Those are just, they're ready. I didn't even make tacos out of all of this for real, and this is gonna go with the rice. Alright, deboning that, chopping it up, lemon, bam, bam. Plus the veggies are gonna go on top of the rice I made. Check it out. Oh, we got the charger in the mix. Whoa, buddy. Alright, so maybe that was a lot of work. I don't know. I think it was more work. Gonna be more work editing this, but bam. Throw some vegetables in with any meat in the dang crock pot, and then you can eat it like however you want to eat it, and prepare it however you want to prepare it. But if you want to like make it a little bit exciting for the kids at least or something, I don't know, you can make tacos out of it. Kids love tacos. My kids do anyways. So veggies on the rice, chicken on the tostada there. After being in the crock pot all day, meat, the veggies that were both in there. And one of these jalapenos for good luck.